Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ITEL S24 and let me share with you how to reset camera preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. And before we will start, I just wanted to draw your attention to those grid lines. I've applied them before I've started recording because I'd like to show you a visual evidence that the reset option will work. So basically they should disappear after a resetting. So now all we have to do is to tap on the settings icon in the right upper corner, scroll down to the very bottom and tap on restore defaults. Tap on restore. And as you can see, the green lines just disappeared, which means that we just successfully reset all camera preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.